Friends, today we are going to see the LeetCode problem 1768, merge strings alternatively. So we were given two strings guys, word 1 and word 2. We need to merge the strings by adding letters in the alternating order, starting with word 1. Okay, so for word 1 if we have three letters, say example ABC, and word 2 has three letters, say PQR, then we need to merge in such a way that each characters are getting merged alternatively. Okay, so let's see the code part. So to store this value, right, I have used a stack, that is the str val, and I'm iterating both the strings parallelly. Also I'm checking if the length, I'm keep on, once it is getting added to the stack and I'm adding the length. So once it is reached, the length, once the word 1 is completed, it will not append the value again. Same way I have done for the word 2, because the value in both the length of the both of the strings are not equal. Also we have a condition, if any one of the word is having the extra characters, we need to append it. So this code works quite well and it's a separate solution. Please go through it. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you.